Best Buster with handles comparison. Pallet busters are essential tools for anyone involved in demolition, renovation, or repurposing projects, especially when working with wooden pallets or decking. These tools simplify the process of disassembling wood structures without damaging the materials, making them invaluable for DIY enthusiasts. List none. The Biz Supply Pallet Buster tool stands out with its pivot action head that minimizes wood splitting, making it ideal for reclaiming pallet wood for DIY projects. With a robust 41-inch handle and a powder-coated steel construction, this tool is designed for durability and ease of use. The wide straddling diameter accommodates standard pallet boards, while the ergonomic rubber grip ensures comfort during prolonged use. In testing, the Biz Supply tool performed exceptionally well for pallet disassembly and deckboard removal. Its articulating head provided consistent leverage, reducing the risk of damaging wood. The long handle was particularly beneficial for users seeking to minimize strain on their back and arms. However, its heavier weight, 14.07 pounds, may make it less suitable for users who prioritize lightweight tools. List 2. The Numax SPNR combines a pneumatic nail remover with a deluxe steel pallet buster, offering a versatile solution for pallet disassembly and nail removal. The articulating head on the Pallet Buster prevents wood damage, while the ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use. The nail remover is compatible with 9 to 14 gauge nails, making it a great option for repurposing wood. During testing, the Numax tool excelled in scenarios requiring both pallet disassembly and nail removal. Its lightweight design and comfort grip handle reduced fatigue, making it suitable for long projects. However, the dual functionality may not appeal to users who only need a dedicated pallet buster, and its relatively new market presence means fewer customer reviews are available for reference. List number 3. The Aliexpress Demo Bar is a compact and heavy-duty pallet buster designed for efficient demolition. Its 28-inch handle and sharp, tapered tines make it ideal for tight spaces and precise prying. The ergonomic handle features a non-slip rubber grip, reducing hand fatigue and improving control during use. This tool proved effective for smaller-scale demolition projects, such as removing deckboards and drywall. Its compact design makes it easy to maneuver, but the shorter handle may require more physical effort compared to longer models. Additionally, while its steel construction is durable, it lacks the corrosion-resistant powder coating found in some competitors. List 4. The Insaga Demolition Tool offers a budget-friendly option with solid performance. Constructed from 2mm thick steel tubing, it features a straight handle design and a compact 28-inch length, making it suitable for tight spaces. Its bright orange powder coating enhances durability and visibility on job sites. Despite its lower price, the Insaga tool performed admirably in various tasks, including pallet disassembly and drywall removal. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle reduced user fatigue, though the shorter handle limited leverage compared to longer models. Additionally, the 2mm steel construction, while durable, may not withstand heavy-duty use as well as thicker alternatives.
List number 5. The generic Pallet Buster is a premium option featuring a 40-inch handle and thick fork design for heavy-duty pallet disassembly. The tool is constructed from solid steel with a corrosion-resistant powder coat finish, ensuring long-term durability. It offers easy assembly with locking pins and hardware included. While the generic model provides excellent leverage and durability, its performance was somewhat hindered by the assembly process, which required additional effort compared to one-piece designs. Additionally, customer reviews indicate mixed experiences, with some users reporting difficulty in achieving consistent results. Its higher price point may also deter budget-conscious buyers.